Hey, it's your girl Selena. I am back with another video, and today I'm doing an unboxing and a review on this airbrush that I got. Now look, I've been trying to find an airbrush that worked properly for like the last year. Dang, it's going quick. I should never speed it up. But anyways, let's jump into the video. Right here is the handpiece to the airbrush. It comes with stencils, and I did get this off of Amazon for like $40 something. And the package was packaged very nicely. It came very quick. Of course, it's Amazon. That is the main part. That's the compressor, and here comes the cord and the other cord to have the air pumped through to the hand part. But real quick, I'm buffing out this nail tip to put the gel top coat on, and I poked the hole through some paper towel and put the nail through it on a stand, so if when I spray, that the spray doesn't get all over me and on my table, and it works pretty good. And today I used airbrush paint, and it actually worked perfectly fine. So right here you see me unwrapping everything and trying to get everything set up for the thing. So it came with a little hand piece, and you put the hand piece, it goes inside the little container with a holder, and you can go either or way. And to be honest, I love the air pump. I mean, you know what it is. And this, I'm just setting it up. I'm just plugging everything in. Now this little black cord, I was struggling for a minute. I kept cutting the parts out because it took me a little minute to get that on there. But that's the part where the air goes through to the hand piece, so you have airflow. And I'm just showing you guys how it looks. It's really lightweight, kind of small, not too big, not too small. So I've started putting my little thin layer of pink gel polish down, and yeah. And I'm gonna use black instead of pink. Y'all gonna see me pull out the pink. I changed my mind. I'm gonna use the black to ombre. But right here I'm following out the top coat. The gel polish, so the paint has something to stick on to, and it actually worked perfectly fine. So make sure you shake up your airbrush paint, and it dried actually pretty quickly. But I just put a couple of drops inside of the hand piece. It doesn't have a lid or anything, but it's perfectly fine. And this is my first time spraying, and it sprayed perfectly. Now look, this part was a little hard. I ain't never did this before, but I think I did pretty good on my first try. You just spray. I'm so sorry that I'm out of frame, because I was just spraying. I didn't realize that I was out of frame, but I try to get as much as I can. But I just sprayed, and that's how it turned out. Yeah, it turned out pretty cool, pretty good. It did come with a few stencils, and I'm going to use the heart one today, but I found a way to clean it. So it came with this little dropper thing. I appreciate that. And what I did was take some water, and I dropped it inside, and then I turned the air on, and I just sprayed the black out because I didn't want it to mix with the white that I was going to put in next for the hearts. So I just sprayed it on a paper towel, and it's just water, and I think the water worked pretty fine, because last time I used something to clean out my thing, it destroyed it. And yeah, there go the white for the hearts, and this is just me spraying it on there. It was pretty simple, pretty easy. I do not regret buying this. I'm actually was super excited to see that it worked perfectly fine. I do recommend buying this, and I will leave the link in the description box down below. But while you guys are down there, make sure you guys add me on all of my social media accounts and everything. Facebook, Instagram, all of it. Subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to make a comeback. But yeah, this is how it looks after I sprayed. No top coat on yet, but we are going to put top coat and a few little rhinestones on, and yeah. And as you see, I'm cleaning it out again. Just use water. Like I think it works perfectly fine. Water, and turn it on and spray it out. Okay, I'm putting my rhinestones on with my rhinestone glue. This is the best rhinestone glue ever. I will link that in the description box. Also, my rhinestones do not come off with this glue at all, not even one. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my video, because technically I'm at the end. And yeah, subscribe, add me on all my social media accounts. Goodbye.